Welcome back, guys. Today we'll talk about the continuation for yesterday topic, local catalog. So yesterday we have seen some couple of concerns about how to bring uh, category in shop by category cat okay, sorry, category in SSP page. And next one is when we create PR for local catalog, how the system creates PO. Okay, and third one is so local catalog creation with item, inventory item or non-inventory item. So asset item is nothing but inventory item, or if it is not asset tracking, it is a expense item. Okay, so these are my topics today. So we'll go one by one into system and verify that. Okay, so these things will be common, whatever I said yesterday. So those things will be common. And also if the system, sorry, if the system nothing but application, if the application wanted to create automatic PO, what is required or prerequisites, we call it as requisites. Okay, so one is agreement level. We have to check PO checkbox whether this is enabled or not. Second one is buyer is mandatory, guys. Buyer is mandatory, and this buyer configured either from manage buyer assignments or so in configure BU the buyer value would be mapped. Okay, so if these are not there, then system won't create the PO. Okay, so with this introduction, how to bring, I mean, various steps. So we'll go to system and we'll check the scenarios or whatever introduction I have given so far. Now, okay, so we'll go to system directly. I open here. So here, so what did I say here? I said that how to bring the category. Okay, so yesterday I'm not sure whether you people has seen my local catalog in the social media. So how to bring that? So first one is, I mean, before moving to that browsing category, I'll show from where the system is pulling those categories. So the categories has to be configured in the function area catalog. So go to procurement. This is making noise, man. So here we have a purchasing categories. Manage function area catalog. Okay, so okay, so here you just PRC catalog I'm using for purchasing. Just I wanted to add one catalog here, and then that catalog I wanted to pull into the SSP area. So that is actually, this is the what you called main source in order to add the various catalogs, various categories under the catalog. Sorry, categories under the catalog. So now I have a PRC. Let me add my own catalog here. So how to do? Click on plus. So my catalog name 0T4 food catalog category food category, just any name, not a problem. Okay, so description I'm going to give same, display in starting date. That's all. It is very simple. Just give the category name, automatically system will populate the code. So with this, just create one catalog. Okay, save and close. Now go to catalogs. Click on this catalog. So open the task list, go to catalog and category hierarchy. So already I created one catalog here. Okay. Yeah, this one. If you want to insert, you can insert your, what is the root, under the root you can insert various categories. So what I'm doing here is I'm just adding my existing category to 0T4 food underscore category. So click on this, click on plus, not plus, sorry, select this. Here insert item categories we have, open this. So automatically system will show what and all categories which are under the PRC catalog. Okay, so it won't show other things. So whatever I created, I could see here. So I'm selecting this my category, apply, done. So this one under this. Okay, so this featured category, I need to check it out what is the exact significance of that. But currently, so whatever we have created in the functional area catalog, you can bring here. Guys, this particular catalog category which are used for browsing, means here system won't allow to create your own category. Means whatever category if you create here, these are the browsing categories. Just we need to map, we need to make organized manner of your categories. Then this particular catalog category is required, or else, I mean, this doesn't have, other than that, doesn't have any other significance. So click on done. Now what I am doing, I wanted to create. So let me check in my catalog. I need to add, right, because my catalog has been created based on specific categories, correct? So go to this. So yesterday I created this, edit this, click on plus. So here this is the one I created, correct? This is the item, this is the browsing. Apply, click on done. Okay, so then save and close. So content zone, everything we have. So just after that you create your what agreement, purchase agreement for that specific category. create agreement ABC Limited. Create so provide the start date, agreement amount. So I'm showing what we discussed as a prerequisites, right? So here 0T4, see, I could see my category name. So I'll give a each here and 450 I'm going to give. And here you know that significance of allow override. So okay, so let me give some text here. I will add even item as well. Item. Okay, so item already I created. So I'm selecting this. Go to where? Mhm. So here I wanted to go for product management, right? Okay, so okay, yeah, because I wanted to add my category, correct? Otherwise, system will pull whatever category which are assigned there. So that is the reason I'm moving to product management. Product information management. Browse or manage items, whatever. So go to master app. Click on categories. So here it is showing as a default as suppliers. Okay. Let me change it to my food category. Now save. Save and close. Click on done. Now go here. Here you can pass your item scheme. Now system will pull 0T4 category. Fine. So now I'm giving 300 here and save the form. And if you go to controls, this information it is coming from supplier level. Okay. So here if you see automatically generate the audits, automatically submit for approval. If everything will be correct, including mapping of accounts, account rules and all, automatically system will create the audits once your PR has been approved. And second thing is system automatically submit for approval. So currently in my setup, because accounts are not set up properly, so system will create the PO, but it won't go for approval because of account level. I have not configured that accrual account. These things I have not configured properly in the system. So system will create the what PO. Okay, and here these things will come from there. And contract terms, if you have any contract terms defined, you can add here. So it is not required for contracts, it is required, but here it is doesn't have any value for that. So there are a lot of check boxes are there. So this one, after verification, just click on save and then submit. So it will go for approval. So what I will do is I'll show next step called as buyer. Okay. So for that, go to setup and maintenance. And go to procurement. So since we are using single buyer, so we don't require manage buyer assignment rules. If we are using multiple buyers based on the category, let's say food category, the responsible buyer is the ABC. For electronic, some guy. For engineering materials, some guy. So if you have such a kind of requirement, then you can go for manage buyer assignment rules. Procurement foundation. If we click on this, buyer assignment will be purchasing, I guess. Buyer assignment rules. Okay, so this is the task which is helpful to configure the system for various categories. So now only I want to default my buyer, I mean my user as a buyer. So for that, configure procurement BU, select your BU. You have to provide buyer. Okay. So hope things are fine. Local catalog creation with item. If the application wanted to create automatic PO, agreement level buyer. Okay. Now go to application back. Click on home icon. Go to procurement icon in the dashboard. Purchase requisitions. Okay. Shop by category. See, I could see this one based on the browsing catalog. See here it is showing two. Click on this. The system will be showing the one line for catalog, one line for item as item. So now I will create the PR. So because I wanted to show that PO creation, correct? So let me give here two guys. So add to cart. We have a shopping list comparison. A lot of things we can do through SSP page. Review here. This one I have not defined the charge accounts and all. So it will take time that. So time being I'm selecting manual. Save the form. And then what else you want? Submit. That's all. Submit. So system has created 17. So I kept as automatic approval here. It will take time to show that. So automatically approved. When you cross check here, the buyer is from where it is defaulting from configure procurement BU. Now system has approved. So I wanted to check system has created PO automatically. So go to purchase orders, select view requisitions, because process requisitions is not required, that is required for processing the PRs. So since we have created the PR through agreement level as well as the setups are proper, then directly come here and verify your PO. I think PO number I forgot. Okay, click on search. Sorry, PR number, not PO. So if we see here, this is the one, John test quantity 2. Okay, so this is the order has been created by the application. something, I don't know. Suddenly hang this page. Here I could not have, system is not at all sensing this page. Let me exit this page, open one more time. Go to equations, purchase equations. Yes, sorry. Purchase orders screen, purchase orders. Here view equation lines. Procurement B is mine. So click on search. So you can see here, this is the one. I'm not sure, this is not allowing to click. Okay, so what is that number? Okay, directly I'll go to, oh, not sure. This is demo instance. A lot of people are using for a lot of R&D point of view. Okay. Now instead of that, go to manage orders. Click on search. See, it is created, but it is showing error. What is that error? If you want to see your equation, view, column, show all. Source agreement number, equation number. Okay. So it is in incomplete mode. Why means because the accrual is not set up properly. So if you see here in my screen, accrual is not came. Okay, so that is the issue here. So once that mapping TAD and all, it has been properly configured, so system will pull this. So time being, so this is a way to create your purchase order. So here one twist, guys, if buyer setup is not there, system won't create the PO. Remember, guys, even you have checked all the check boxes. Okay, so that is the small discussion on local catalog creation and bringing that new catalog under the shop by category. And also we have shown what we have shown, the PO creation once the PR has been created. Okay. So with this we'll wind up the session, and we'll connect next session with some more idea on public list. There are a lot of options, smart forms, all those things. Okay, thank you so much, have a wonderful day. Bye bye, take care. So one thing, guys, I don't want to keep a long videos because people won't get interest. So that is the reason my motto is just make a small video, short videos, so people will understand the concept very easily, and then they can, if they want, they can make the notes. Okay.